what's going on today. I'm going to show you how to make a dope collage using these images from my vintage image pack. So I'm going to go ahead and select this, draw a nice little outline, select both, make a clip and mask. Simple as that. Alright, and then just like adjust the mask to outline to what you like, and then bam. Simple, looks good. Add some curves, nice aesthetic. Add a little background or bottom floor level looking thing. So I'll take the pen tool, adjust that, move this up, put this over here. Perfect. Add a little 3D effect. Almost there. Adjust the color. There we go. We got a little floor. I'm gonna make a quick background just to get started. Get something that we like. Simple. Gonna grab a dope pattern from my new paper texture pack. So definitely check that out too at SL Collage. Simple, easy way to make your work stand out and have some great texture and different patterns as well. Make a little oval for this like cutout head thing that is kind of my signature, but I guess a lot of people do it, so it's not my signature. Either way, I'm skilled at it, and that's how you do it. Just make a quick gradient. Next, make another little circle outline for the shadow underneath. Take the pencil tool and adjust to make it a little more organic. Go add a Gaussian blur and then play with the transparency and opacity to something you like, and then bam, you got a shadow, you got a floating head. You're halfway there to surrealism. What else do you need? Let's add some more texture in there. So another image from my texture pack, throw that over top of everything. Bam, looking good, giving it some nice analog feel. Grab another image from my image pack for a little cutout for the head. Nice little nature, hillside, forest looking whatever. Duplicate that, transform that, adjust that, do this. Let me grab another. Oh, flowers, perfect. I'm gonna grab those, little outline, make a clip and mask. And this is why Illustrator is so great, because you can just use these masks and just like adjust all the time. Non-destructive cutting out, which I like. Bam, throw that behind the hillside, duplicate, do some adjustments, and add some layering. I'm gonna throw this over top to look like it's popping out. Do some adjusting with the pencil tool. Simple. Add the shadow to the head, draw a little outline of what the shadows would be, throw it underneath the head layer, and then add a Gaussian blur, and you will basically be set. You can adjust it how you want, but that is it. Adds a little more depth to it and make it seem like it's really popping out from the head. I'm gonna grab a few more flowers, or actually I'm just gonna grab this petal. Bam, a little petal, just add a little detail to make the work stand out, make it seem a little more fine art-esque or whatever it may be. So throw these petals up there and you're set. Maybe grab some green leaves, adjust this, and all you gotta do is just like copy and paste in front, and then just adjust the outline, and you can have multiple images. It's very simple. Bam. All right, and I'm gonna adjust the texture layer. You can see it off on, off on, off on. I'm gonna leave that on, make it a little more prominent, and there you go, finished image. You want to see more tutorials and videos like this, definitely subscribe and check back, because I'm always making more. Peace.